Hi everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. Look at these paper snowflakes. Take a craft paper, fold it and then cut the remaining portion like this. You will open it and get a hexagon shape and then fold it from its all 6 sides like this. After this we are going to make more folds from all its sides like this and you will get a mini shape like this. And then we are going to fold it and make more folds and then repeat the process from all sides. Flip it and again fold it from this side as well like this. You will get a star shape like we are doing here, and look, it is ready. After that we are going to open these shapes like this using your fingers. Flip it and again fold it like we are doing here in the upward direction. Flip it again and put it inside like this. Look carefully and then it is ready. Again flip it and fold it from its sides as well. Look like this how we are doing here, and it is almost ready now. Repeat the process from all sides like this, and look, your paper snowflake is ready.